Hey there, thanks for coming to my channel. Today we're checking out the Stone Island and New Balance collab, which is the 574 Legacy. I've never done a shoe unboxing before like this, so please bear with me. What we've got here is the new shoes that I got. it came out last week, popped up 10 AM Australia time, and yeah, I just managed to purchase one. I've always been trying, and so this is the first time I was able to snag one. After purchasing, I tried to share the link with my friends and it was all gone, so I'm counting myself lucky there. As you can see, the box was really cool, as the Stone Island logo. Probably keep this box, and here's the shoe. Yeah, beautiful logo there on the tongue. Clean, simple, stands out. There's a lot of reflective pieces here as well. You can't really see it on camera, but in person you can see it under the light. And also inside there is a Stone Island logo. There's also like some sort of absorb material in the base, so when you step, it actually apparently it absorbs your steps, so that's pretty cool, I guess. Usually I'm a size 8.5 with my Nike shoes, my Jordans, but with New Balance I try to size up to size 9, just because I've got a pretty wide foot, and with the New Balance I feel like if I get my usual size it's just a bit too cramped, so I ended up getting the size 9s for this. Cool little collab tag. I'm a huge sucker for collabs. I've even got the New Balance Samsonite. I can't help it, I have issues. Even just that paper there had the logo. I thought that was really cool. So yeah, these are the New Balance Stone Island 574s. I'll probably wear this my dailies or to work just to keep it clean. Should go well with black pants and a baggy jumper. So yeah, thanks for checking it out. Hope this has helped you, and if you got one, please feel free to write in the comments and share your thoughts on what you think about these collabs. Peace.